Hey guys, this is Jennifer Trades and I am here today with an awesome makeup tutorial. As you can see, I kind of have the rest of my face done. I do not wear foundation, so I don't have that on. But today we will be focusing mostly on my eyes. So I want to show you, this is what we will be using. It is the Kristen Leanne and Urban Decay Kaleidoscope palette. And because I have blue hair and I did a video recently with the blue makeup look, I thought that it would be nice to show you guys the blue makeup look using this, because this is what I used to do it. So if you're interested, then keep watching. And welcome to my channel, since I didn't say that before. But thank you for staying and sticking with me. So today, like I said, we're going to be using the Kaleidoscope palette. The first color I'm going to start out with, because I like the outer corners to be darker, I'm going to use the 13th floor, which is her black color. And I do not have a mirror, so I'm using you. And you really don't need a lot. Like literally, that's all you need. Okay. Then I'm going to blend it out. Right along the crease line. And these blend so well. Alright, and then next we will be using, this is the TRM, which is the dark blue color. And again with the outer corners. And the trick with this is, you'll see in the next step that it blends so well with Leo, which is the next color I'm going to be using. It's like a shimmery blue kind of color. So I'm going to actually go ahead and put this on my actual lid, leaving a little bit at the corner. So that blue TRM goes right over top of the black. And blend it some. Now I'm going to do the other eye. Alright guys, now that both eyes are done, next will be Leo, which like I said is the blue shimmery kind of color. And this is actually my favorite color in this palette, and by itself you wouldn't think that it's much of anything, but when you put it on the TRM, whoa, watch what happens. You see that? So gorgeous. And normally also I do put a concealer or I lighten it before I put the color back over top of it, but with this, the whole purpose of it is to put the Leo on top of the TRM, so that's really not even a necessary step. So with that, just kind of put that over across the whole thing, including the corner, and blend it into the blue. And then I will do the same thing on the other side. And now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go back with the TRM and just kind of blend it out a little more into that blue. Create more of that blending. Really feel like a mermaid now. Mermaid makeup. Good stuff, right? And then, of course, I am going to use the Brixton, which is right next to Leo, that is going to be for my inner corner. Really put that in there. I really like how that looks. And blending that into the light blue. Okay. That's the eyeshadow look. What you think? Okay, and then the only other thing I am going to do is use my, this is like an eyeliner brush little thing. And for that, I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom lash line. And same thing, so again with the TRM on the outer corner, right underneath. And take that over a little bit. And then I can blend that Leo into that as well to create that really beautiful blue color. You see? And then also with the Brixton, to go right again, bring that down to brighten the eyes, and I'll do the other side. So that is the final eyeshadow look with the Kristen Leanne Kaleidoscope palette. Now I'm going to do my winged liner and my mascara. And if you want to see a video on how I do my winged liner, give me a thumbs up and let me know, and I'll do one of those, but I'll be right back. And I'm back. So I did my eyeshadow, or yeah, of course, yeah, I did my eyeshadow. I did my eyeliner and my mascara and some lashes, just to kind of complete the look. Hope you guys like it. This is the final result. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I also have another video on how and what lashes I use, because I'm not a big lash person, but I like these. These are really awesome and easy, super easy to put on. And then also, if you're interested in my hair and how I did my mermaid hair, I'll leave a link in the iCard thing for my tutorial on how I did that as well. So lots of good stuff for you to see, so don't forget to check out my channel. Lots of hair tutorials, some makeup, some tattoos, all kinds of different stuff. So check me out. Don't forget to like this video if you thought it was good, and subscribe for more awesome videos. And yeah, so I hope to see you in my next video, and thanks for watching. Okay, bye.